The Bright family has just moved into their new home in California. It's a beautiful morning. Sunlight fills the house, bringing a sense of calm and new beginnings. James is excited. Today feels different, like the start of something special.
Hey.
Hi, welcome to the neighborhood.
Hey, man, we're your next-door neighbors.
We brought a little housewarming gift for you and your family.
Wow, that's beautiful, guys. Thanks. Please come in. Make yourselves at home. Wow, this is really beautiful. Thanks again. That was very kind.
It's our pleasure.
It looks great here.
Your home is so beautiful.
Hi, I'm Grace. It's so nice to meet you. Welcome to our house. Would you like some tea, coffee, or water?
No thanks, we're good.
Julie, be careful. Sorry, guys. This is Julie, our dog. She's very friendly and a little excited. So, you guys have been living here for a long time?
Yes, we have. We really like this neighborhood.
That's great. Well, I'm a doctor, and I also create content about health and beauty.
Well, and I am an astronomer. We have 2 kids, Ethan and Nikki.
And what about you guys?
Well, we also have 2 kids, Josh and Karen. I am a lawyer, and David is an AI developer.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Hey, guys. I'm Ethan. Nice to meet you. I just got home from college. I'm so tired.
Hey, I'm Nikki. Nice to meet you. I love K-pop music. Do you guys have any kids?
Yes, we do. You are going to meet them pretty soon.
Can wait.
Well, this is us. We can be a bit loud, but we're very happy to meet you guys. I'm sure we'll see each other a lot.
I think we're gonna like it here.
And just like that, a new chapter begins. New home, new neighbors, and new memories waiting to be made.
Hey, guys. Now let's try shadowing. It's easy. Just listen and repeat. Are you ready?
Now listen and repeat. We're your next door neighbors. Now you repeat. Welcome to the neighborhood. Now you repeat. Make yourselves at home. Now you repeat. We brought a little housewarming gift. Now you repeat. We really like this neighborhood. Now you repeat. Would you like some coffee, tea, or water? Now you repeat. I just got home from college. Now you repeat. Do you guys have any kids? Now you repeat. We are very happy to meet you guys. Now you repeat. Vocabulary. Neighborhood. A place where people live, near your home. Housewarming gift. A gift you give when someone moves to a new house. Make yourself at home. Relax and feel comfortable in someone's house. Next door neighbors. People who live very close to you. Let's learn grammar. I am James. I'm James. She is my wife. She's my wife. He is my new neighbor. He's my new neighbor. It is my new house. It's my new house. They are my kids. They're my kids. You are my students. You're my students. Now let's play. What is this? A gift. This is a gift. What are they? Neighbors. They are neighbors. What is her job? A doctor. She is a doctor. How many kids do they have? Two. They have 2 kids. Where are they? At home. They are at home. Choose the right answer. They are neighbors. Choose the right answer. He is an astronomer. Choose the right answer. It's nice to meet you. Choose the right answer. They live in California.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.
Now, tell me, where do you live? Write it in the comments below.